straight leg reverse crunch on a reformer is good for strengthening the abs. This exercise must be performed only when one is attuned to a strenuous exercise schedule, because if not done with full concentration, it can result in injuring the lower back. Dr. Namita Agarwal displays how to do this exercise.
Hi, this is the next exercise of this abs strengthening series. This is reverse crunch with straight legs, and I suggest that if you are in a very advanced in your fitness regime, then only you should perform this exercise, because this needs a lot of resistance from your core, and if your back is not very strong, you're not able to take it. So if you're really very strong in your fitness regime and you are working out past many years, you can take up this exercise. So in here, what she is doing, she is just going to lift her legs from here, and slowly when she is exhaling and lifting her hips as well. And when she is rolling down, she will inhale here and she will roll down when she will exhale. So we are going to use 4 breathings in this. Inhale to start, exhale to perform, and slowly engaging her lower abs, more on lower layer of her abdomen muscles, and exhale again. Inhale here and exhale, drop legs down. Okay, so inhale and exhale, lift your hips a bit and lift your try to feel you are stretching your lower back, and inhale here and exhale and drop your legs down. Here again, we are not going to put lot of resistance. With less resistance, we are going to perform it with full range. This is basically articulating the spine also. If we are jerking in this movement or we are not doing it right, it can come to our back. So it is better we should do it with the full concentration and with full control, and every breathing should be very slow and deeper. Try to engage maximum core muscles, deeper layer of your core muscles to perform this exercise. Again, you are supposed to do 5 counts to begin with, and gradually you can increase your count. But in this exercise, you are not supposed to increase your resistance much, not even medium, just light resistance, and you will perform this exercise. This is very good for your core. It will give you very strong lower abdomen muscles.
For more videos on yoga, log on to onlymyhealth.com.